YouTube, it's your boy 392 Lou, and we back with another video. Today's video, I got some bad news for y'all, man. Some stuff done happened, man. Let me get out and go show y'all. Oh yeah? Yeah, it is. 60? Yeah. Yeah, appreciate it. Here I come. Here y'all go, man. Broke my light. Tell y'all what happened. So, in Beaumont, me and a bunch of group of guys, we was riding, and out of nowhere, we riding. It's getting dark. I know where I see a guy standing on the side of the street with a brick. So I'm like, I didn't know it was a brick at the time. So I'm like, this nigga got a basketball. He threw it. So boom, it hit the front of my car. I'm thinking it's a basketball until I seen my light kind of bounced like that. So I hit the brakes. I get out, my damn car fucked up, and I look back, he running in the house. So then I wasn't gonna, run in this house and go beat his ass or nothing like that. No gun, no nothing, you feel me? So I called the cops around his house. He tell me we driving reckless. We driving reckless in the neighborhood, putting his kids in danger. Mind you, Scatpacks, there's a bunch of charges. We're not necessarily going fast just because our car is loud. People will be so quick to say we driving reckless, but we're not actually driving reckless. Our car is loud, so I guess they're assuming that. I don't know, but had to be one of the worst days I ever had. Even the cops was like, damn, brand new Scatpack? Nigga threw a brick. But I already got people that have looked at it. It's gonna cost me about $650. $650 to get the dent out of the bumper. The most expensive part is gonna be getting me a new light. That's $650 by itself. So altogether, I'm gonna spend about $1,400. But that's what I've been. That's why I ain't been making as many videos as I have. But since we're talking about videos, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. Make sure you share. Make sure you like. Put a comment down below, and if you're not subscribing, go ahead and subscribe, because I've been going back and forth to Houston. This past weekend I went to SRT Breeze car meet. I forgot my damn camera. I seen Corey was there. I'm gonna put some clips right here. So yeah, got to meet SRT Breeze and all them. But I'm gonna be in Houston mostly vlogging, because it's the same old in this small town. A few vlogs here and there from Beaumont, but mostly gonna be in Houston, because the car scene in Houston crazy, as y'all seen in my last video. But baby just got a wash earlier today. something else I wanted to talk to you guys about was y'all comment below what I should do to this car. I was thinking about doing black and reflective silver, like reflective, where you look at it a certain way it shines. I was thinking about doing that, outline the carbon fiber stripes that I already have with the reflective stripes, the little small ones on the sides. Do that. I'm stuck between keeping my car black and putting it yellow and black. Keep the black stripes with the yellow wrap. Or I was gonna keep the black stripes and go green, like a dark green. But I don't know how that'll look, because I wanna do like an uncommon color. Like, I say yellow, but like a teal. I really don't know. I need some help. So y'all comment below what y'all think I should do to my car as far as wrap wise. And I want to put some new wheels on. Y'all, any suggestions? I'm open, because I really need ideas. And a name. Just give me a theme or something, man. Car boring. Black, boring right now. I'm thinking about putting tire stickers, you know, to match the whatever color I choose. But yeah, y'all comment below what I should get. We're on our way to the bank. This nigga here just driving. Boy. But yeah, we'll be back. The bank with it. Y'all thought y'all about to see my pen? Y'all thought it was gonna be that easy? Come on now. Y'all thought it was gonna be that easy? Come on now. Y'all thought it was gonna be that easy? It ain't never that easy. Bands to make her a day. 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 But yeah. I'm about to go buy me a MacBook. Go buy me a little MacBook. The editing about to be vicious. So monetization coming soon. We're gonna run them subscribers up. Man, I'm at 143. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do a giveaway at 1,000. I'm gonna do a giveaway at 500. Y'all comment below what y'all think I should give away at 500. I already know I'm gonna give away a PS5 at 1,000. At 500, I need some ideas to what I should give away. Probably money though. I'll probably do $500. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. $500. And then at 1,000, I'm gonna do a PS5. I'm probably gonna do a PS5 at $500. That seems fair. God damn. Put my seatbelt on for y'all. Get on my ass in the comments. But this video not gonna be as long as my other ones, because I just wanted to show y'all the dent from the brick. Hey, really threw a brick at my car. This video consists of me being in the car, really, because I ain't got no plan. But I am gonna take y'all with me when I go get the brick fixed. They said they're gonna keep my car for about a week. They're gonna keep my car for about a week. I'm gonna get the brick fixed, the dent fixed, and then I'm gonna back door and get my light fixed. But I might be getting my light fixed, but actually getting the my lights done from Lighting Trends. Y'all go check them out. They do good. They have good products. as far as lights and stuff. That's mostly what you see when you see Chargers, and they have the nice colorful lights underneath and the headlights. So yeah, I might light up my grill. I don't know. I feel like if I light up my grill, my car look friendly. Make the car look friendly. They already look mean, you know. We don't want no friendly ass wide body. Can't have no friendly ass wide body. Y'all, should I hit it for y'all? Let me hit it for y'all. Let me put it in. Let me put it in sport mode. Pay for no damn gas, so shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, let me stop before I get a fucking ticket. I'm gonna explain this to the cop. Yeah, officer, I'm a YouTuber. Not gonna be trying to hit that shit. Yeah, cops already don't like us out here in Beaumont. They think we always up to something. The other day I got pulled over. He just, they ain't say a word to me. I hopped out. He just flashed his light in my car. Ain't say a word to me. And the other guys I was with, the white one, the white Scatpack somebody, in my previous videos, put him in handcuffs because he had a concealed handgun license. He seen the handgun in the car. But yeah, we really just riding around right now. It's a work week, you know. We working. I said I was gonna grind for 2 months straight. I was gonna put out. I've been sticking to my guns as far as quantity over quality. You know, I've been putting the videos out. I'm actually proud of myself. I was gonna do 2 videos a week. I actually slacked on that. Got lazy. But I'm grinding, man. I'm trying to get monetized and start YouTubing. You feel me? Trying to be YouTubing. But damn, I really would have had another video if I would have took my if I wouldn't have forgot my damn camera at the if I wouldn't have forgot my camera at home when I went to SRT Breeze car meet. Shit happens. It's gonna be another time. I ain't tripping. Cause I'm telling y'all, man, one thing I wanna salute them the guys out in Houston, man. Them cars, the car scene period is crazy. Them dudes' cars, y'all on video don't do it no justice. You have to see it in person. Their cars be sick. Their ideas be sick. Okay, my bad, man. Oh, there it is. Yes, sir. Y'all see the waves? Ain't got no damn waves. Check my shit again. Trying to go buy this MacBook. I'm probably gonna drop this video same day, or I might do it tomorrow. But yeah, we working. We pushing the videos out. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure you comment. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. If you haven't already, go to my previous videos, thumbs up. Y'all go watch them previous videos if you haven't. If you seen this one and haven't seen my last videos, watch all of them. Subscribe. On the road to 1,000 subscribers. So y'all keep them coming. Appreciate y'all. We out. Y'all thought my video was over, huh? I'm gonna spice it up, you know, with some little funny shit. If you can guess what kind of car I'm in right now, If you can guess what kind of car I'm in right now, I will cash app you $20. But you gotta be following me on Instagram. If you can go to the hint is actually on my Instagram. So go to my Instagram. If you watch this video, I'm putting this at the end of my video, so you have to be done. This is a free $20. If you can comment the year, make, and model of the car I'm in right now, you get $20 cash out. 20 bucks. That's easy $20. So that let me know that you watched my whole video, because this is gonna be at the end. You got the spaceship roof. You feel me? Ain't nobody fucking with me. But yeah, 20 bucks.